Mastering would in conditional sentences. Hello, English language learners. Today we're diving deep into an important aspect of English grammar, modal verbs. More specifically, we'll focus on how the modal verb, would, is used in conditional sentences. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of would and how to use it correctly. Let's get started. Would is a modal verb that we often use in English to talk about actions in hypothetical or unreal situations. It's frequently used in conditional sentences, which are statements discussing known factors or hypothetical situations and their consequences. Examples of would usage. 1. I would go to the party if I didn't have to work tomorrow. Unreal condition. 2. She would be happier if she found a job. Hypothetical situation. When we talk about conditional sentences with would, we usually refer to second and third conditional sentences. Both of these refer to hypothetical or unreal situations, but they are used in slightly different ways. Second conditional. In second conditional sentences, we use would to talk about unlikely or imaginary situations in the present or future. The structure is if plus past simple tense, would plus base form of verb. Example: if I won the lottery, I would buy a house. Third conditional. In third conditional sentences, would is used to talk about situations in the past that did not happen. The structure is if plus past perfect tense, would have plus past participle. Example: if I had seen you, I would have said hello. Interestingly, would is not only used in conditional sentences. We often use would to make polite requests or ask questions in a courteous manner. Example: would you pass the salt, please? And that wraps up our lesson on using the modal verb, would, in conditional sentences. Remember, it's all about creating hypothetical situations or discussing unreal conditions. It may take a little practice to get the hang of it, but I am confident that you would master it with time and practice. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, happy English learning!